Today on Outdoor Handyman Adventures, I'm going to be working on this rototiller. I got this rototiller. I need to check it out and see what all it needs to get it running. So I haven't checked it out yet. So I'm going to check it out. I see there's no gas in it. So it's going to definitely need some gas. And I'll check the oil to make sure it's got oil in it. Don't ever want to fire it up without oil in it. Not seeing much oil in there. Yeah, we're going to need some oil in here. It's going to need some oil, so I'll put a little oil in there. Just run 30 weight. I need to see if it's firing, so I'll put my spark plug tester on here, and I'm gonna check the firing on it before I put gas in it, and we'll see, what all we need to do to get it running. Let's see if this turns over. Oh yeah, the motor turns over. All right, now I'm gonna put the spark plug checker on there and check for fire. Put some oil in here. It's a little low, so we'll put some little bit of oil in here. It's got some in there, but it needs more. Now I'm going to check to see if it's firing. My little spark plug tester tool here. I mean, I could touch it and see if it's firing, but that's the old way I used to do it. Now I have this tester here that I'm going to test it with. All right, now I'm going to test it, see if it's firing. I need to move it to the darkness. Let me move it to the shadows. It is firing. I had to back it up to the shadow to see it firing, but it is definitely firing. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's definitely firing, but you might have to get some shadow on it because it's hard to see. All right, now, look how bad this filter looks. Too bad. Not as bad as I thought it was going to look. Actually looks pretty good. This rubber boot, does it look good? Yep, the rubber boot looks good. Is that lever moving? Yes. that lever is moving. All right. I think what's wrong with this one, if I remember correctly, is that it had a leak underneath the carburetor and the top of the gas tank, and the carburetor, that gasket, I think, is what was leaking on this one. I think that's what was going on with it. I'm not 100% sure. I can't really remember. I didn't put a tag on this one, but I believe that's what's wrong with this one, is that gasket's leaking under here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull it off and take a look at this gasket. It's between the gas tank and the carburetor. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that right now before I try to crank it. Okay, what you didn't see is I removed the carburetor and the gas tank. Gas tank and the carburetor. I went ahead and removed these two because I wanted to clean the gas tank out and clean the carburetor and make sure all that was good and clean. So that's what I'm doing now, is working on cleaning all that stuff. And once I get it cleaned, I'll get it back on there. There's just an idle up on it. I got to get some bolts fixed in this thing. The bolts are loose right there. Get some bolts in here and cover this cover back on there. I got to fix that cover, but I got the engine running. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and thanks for watching Outdoor Handyman Adventures.